Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be cleaning. I'm going to, just clean it up because it is extremely messy in here. Let me walk around so you guys can see. So, okay, I have this chandelier. It's damaged, so I do need to get it out of the space. Over here, I have my husband's shoes, and this is... It's supposed to be like a tea station. You guys, you're not going to be able to see it because of my lighting. Hold on, let me try to... I don't know, come at a different angle with this. Okay, it's going to be hard to see because the window is right here, but it's supposed to be like my tea station. And then I showed you guys this thing here in the haul video, so I just need to like fix that up. I went and did some grocery shopping, so I need to wash these apples before putting them in here. But yeah, I need to fix it up and, make it look cute. And then I just have a ton of papers on the counter. I need to empty the dishwasher. This needs to go on the patio. I like to keep it out there. And then over here, I have this product that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. So this portion of today's video is going to be sponsored by SodaStream. I have to give them a really big thanks for sending this out to me to share. So I'm really excited because I really love sparkling water. It also comes with some flavor. And I have my bottle here. I just washed it, so I'm going to use the water from my fridge because I don't like to drink from the sink, and plus I don't have a filter, so I'm not going to drink from the sink. I'm going to use the fridge. It does come with a fill line, so you'll be able to see it like here. You'll be able to see it on the bottle, but I'm going to fill it up. But I really love sparkling water, guys, because it tastes really good, and I don't like to use a lot of sugar, so this is really great for that. You don't have to worry about using a ton of sugar, and I don't like soda, but I do like to have that sparkle. So being able to make my own sparkling water is going to be really great, and then you can pick like flavors. All right, and then you want to just pour this out and then put it on like that and push it down. And it's just gonna stay like that. And there's a button on the top. It also says to push down firmly to hold for 2 seconds and release. So if you want a light fizz, then you do it 3 times. If you want a stronger fizz, then you do it 5 times. I'm just gonna do it 3 times and see if it's good enough, because I don't want it to be too carbonated. I don't want it to be too strong. So 2 seconds. Okay. Guys, see that? I'm just gonna add some flavor to it. So this is lime drops. Give it some flavor, see how it tastes, because I don't drink just plain sparkling water. I need some flavor. That should be good. That should be good. See how it tastes. All right, I'm just gonna shake it up, and I'm gonna need some ice because, oh, look at that. Just like soda. Can you see the fizz? Let me come up close. Let me shake it up again. But yeah, it looks just like soda. Oh, it smells like soda too, but it's much healthier. Okay, I'm gonna need some more flavor, but it definitely tastes like sparkling water. I'm just gonna put it right in here. This is really easy to use. Okay. Yeah, so much better. And this is the box for the lime drops. So it is unsweetened natural flavor essence, 0 calories, so that's really good. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. That was really fast. I didn't think it would be that fast. I thought it was gonna take longer to like set it up and stuff. Don't know why, but I just thought it was going to take longer. I do have a 20% off discount code, so check the link in the description box if you want to get your hands on this. And my coupon code is Keisha J, so enter that at checkout and get you some savings. Start sparkling your own water, adding your own flavors, getting creative with it, and having fun. I love it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start cleaning now because this kitchen is a mess and I need to just fix it and like bring some decor in here and make it like nice and pretty. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with that. All right, so the first thing I like to do when I start cleaning the kitchen is to unload the dishwasher. And I like to do it in the morning because for some reason I just don't like doing it at night. I don't know, it's just maybe because I have energy in the morning. and at night I'm just ready to go to bed and not just be in the kitchen cleaning.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why I get nervous. I try to be cool, but you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together?
Okay, so I'm done with the dishes. I'm gonna save cleaning the sink for last, but I'm gonna work on the counters now. It's not like this kitchen is really dirty. It's just like a bunch of stuff everywhere. But I'm gonna take this to the patio. I like to grill on this, but yeah, I've been using it inside because it's been really cold. So yeah, just gonna put it back out there because I don't really have space for it in the house. I have yet to start on the patio. I'll show you guys as soon as I put this down. But I was out here spray painting. All right, I was out here spray painting, so I had plastic down, and yeah, it's not decorated. I still need to do a lot of work. I just have extra stuff out here. We had an extra coffee table, so yeah, put that out here. I'm gonna use it in this space, but I do want to like revamp it. I need to, you know what, I'm not even gonna come out here and start messing with stuff, but my picture fell, so need to fix that. But yeah, the patio is not done, and I still need to spray paint, so I'm not gonna even worry about cleaning that up. Now all I need to do is just clear off the counters, wipe it down. Let me check and see if I need to clean. Yeah, it's dirty. I need to clean that. Let me actually do that first. I'm using the Method Cleaner in case you're wondering. I'm almost out, but I do have another bottle. And it's a plant-based cleaner, non-toxic. That's why I really love it. But it does a really good job just cleaning and, you know, cutting grease and grime. So I use this all over the house.
Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. See if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for wanna be together, babe, I want you. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for love? Are you up for be together? I wanna be babe, I want you. I'll your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters.
All right, so I'm gonna clean these apples before I put them here. I'm gonna move the onions and stuff. I don't want that there, but yeah, just put it there because the pantry is really messy and like super cluttered, but I'm not working on that today. So we're just gonna close the door. And I'm gonna use this veggie wash here to clean my apples. I love using this. I get it on Amazon. It does a really good job cleaning, like just getting off that wax buildup and stuff. So.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it.
Alright guys, I am done. It's nice and clean. I am going to decorate the space. I don't plan to just keep it plain like this, but I'm going to save that for a different video because I don't have everything I need for this space. I still need to find my seating for the island. But yeah, this is my kitchen, nice and clean. I love when it looks like this. I love it. And then I do have my little tea station set up over here. This one is empty because I like to put snacks inside like cookies, but we ran out, so I have to stock up. And I do plan to come and like fix up inside of these drawers, but right now I just have a ton of Halloween candy in here, and I just have like extra tea and sugar, some wipes. Those are the kids' nose wipes. And then I just have random stuff, pencil sharpener, just random stuff. But I plan to like really make this into a really nice tea station. So I want to get like some dividers and put the tea in it so it's nice and like organized. I might keep the candy in here. But in here, I don't know. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I do want to like really fix it up and make it look really nice. But I love the way it looks now. It's nice and clean. I'm not a coffee drinker. We don't really drink coffee in here. That's why you don't, see that. Most people do coffee stations, but we like tea. So yeah, but this is the space. You know, I have my rug from Farrah, Shop Inspire Me Home Decor. Well, she actually sells this on QVC. So if you go on QVC and search Inspire Me Home Decor, you will see like all of Farrah's products and stuff. But yeah, this is it. Really pretty runner. But yeah, I definitely plan to decorate because it's a really nice kitchen. I just need to add my touch to it, and I really need to find some seating. But when I do, I will come back and show you guys. So I have these chairs. This came with the house. I was thinking about switching it out, but you know what? I'm not gonna even bother with it. It's good for now. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, we are renting this house out. We just moved to this area. We are in Florida. We just moved from Virginia. I feel like I say this in every single video that I record now, but I'm gonna have to say it until, you know, I feel like I don't need to say it anymore. But yeah, we did just move like almost 2 months ago, and we decided to rent before buying because we don't know if we're going to be staying here. My husband is just here for like a few years on his military orders. So we might go back to Virginia after this rotation. We don't know yet. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget, if you want to get your hands on the SodaStream, click the link in the description box and use my 20% off discount code KeishaJ. Get you some savings on it. But that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.